Hello and welcome back to Fun Math Stories. Math Story 7, Kiran's Routine and the Concept Time. Kiran is a 3rd grade student at Beatific School. Here's a look at her daily routine. I hope you reflect on your routine, learn more about time and appreciate the value of time. It's 6:30 a.m. on a bright Monday morning. Kiran and her family will do 30 minutes of yoga at 6:30 a.m. What time will they finish their yoga session if they start at 6:30 a.m.? Let's calculate. Start time 6:30 a.m. for 30 minutes. At 7 a.m. they complete their yoga session. Kiran gets on the school bus at 8 a.m. and arrives at school at 8:35 a.m. What was the duration of her journey? Kiran returns to their classroom after a 15 minutes prayer. Let's answer this question. What time will her class begins if the prayer starts at 8:45 a.m.? Kiran's first class starts at 9 a.m. and after 2 classes she gets a 15-minute break at 10:30 a.m. When will her next class start? The challenge: what will be the duration of each class? The short break begins at 10:30 a.m. and lasts 15 minutes, ending at 10:45 a.m. That is when the next class begins. Answer for the challenge is: the first class starts at 9 a.m. and short break is at 10:30 a.m. Duration of 2 classes is 90 minutes. That means duration of each class is 45 minutes. After the short break, the art class will last 1 hour. When will the art class begins and when will it end? Let's find out. The short break begins at 10:30 a.m. and lasts 15 minutes, ending at 10:45 a.m. That is when the art class begins. Art class begins at 10:45 a.m. Duration of art class is 1 hour. Art class ends at 11:45 a.m. Kiran needs to go to the library and find a book to read after her art class. How long will Kiran be in the library if the lunch break is at 12:30 p.m.? The library class begins at 11:45 a.m. End time is 12:30 p.m. Duration between 11:45 a.m. and 12:30 p.m. is 45 minutes. Therefore, Kiran will be at the library for 45 minutes. When will the lunch break end if it starts at 12:30 p.m. and lasts an hour? Kiran has a 45-minute computer lab session at 1:30 p.m. When will the lab session end? Start time of the computer lab session is 1:30 p.m. Duration of the lab session is 45 minutes. End time of the lab session is 2:15 p.m. Kiran boards the school bus to return home at 2:20 p.m. What time will she arrive home if she travels for 35 minutes? Kiran arrives home, freshens up, eats a small snack and takes a nap till 5 p.m. Kiran enjoyed an hour of relaxation in the park with her friends. What time will Kiran be back home if she goes to the park at 5 p.m.? Kiran has homework time from 7 to 8:30 p.m. How long will she devote to her studies? Kiran will have dinner with her family at 8:30 p.m. and then watch TV for a while. Kiran goes to bed at 10 p.m. How long will Kiran sleep if she wakes up at 6 a.m. I hope you have enjoyed the story and learned the concept time. Also, you got few problems to practice on your own. I will see you soon in the next story. Till then, keep learning.